Hey guys, it's great. Hang on a second. Oh, come on. Come on. Nope, not working. Hang on.
Yep.
Can you hold this? I'm gonna put this on. It fell off.
No,
oh my god, these kids. We just bought new ones. New chairs.
Okay, there we go.
Hey guys, we are on our way to Norwich for a car show with the BC Betties. Right though? It's rainy and gross, so we probably won't be doing so much talking, but whatever footage that we get and whatever pictures and stuff that we get, we'll make sure that we toss them in at least a short video for you guys. I'm not sure how long we're going to be staying, so. But anyway, we are almost there, and I will let you know how it goes. All right, see you soon. Sure.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming.
Okay, they're getting chairs up. And they're setting up the tent up.
Whoa, these are really
me killing Drake.
Hey.
Let's see. I do on camera.
On selfie mode.
It's on selfie mode.
Wessie.
Was a bear.
Wessie had blonde hair, and then it turned brown and she got sad.
You can talk.
I can talk?
Yes.
I have a voice?
Ash, the microphone is aimed at you.
I didn't know that you're staring.
Oh, are we being shy?
Go tell Amanda your ideas.
Whoa, what a day. It was rainy. It wasn't cold, but it's muggy and gross. Yeah. We didn't stay the whole day. We are leaving. We're on our way out. We're gonna go grab something to eat with the kids and our crew behind us. We lost someone.
Yep.
Meh, it happens. We're gonna go pull across the street here is what we're gonna do. What do you think, Lou?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Turning around. We're trying to leave the parking lot. Okay.
Is everyone going?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Sorry about that. Alright, we are on our way to go grab some food with half of the crew. And you can see some behind us. Woo! We are starving. It is food time. We're gonna hit up a diner. Say hi, Lou.
Hi.
What a bum. We are headed home. We just ate now, and we had a great day, but exhausting day. Had a whole bunch of fun. Right, Lou? Did you have fun?
Yep.
Yep, we had fun.
Yep.
So we are on our way home. We had a blast. Thanks to the BC Betties, and thank you to Norwich for the awesome antique car show. We had so much fun there, even though it rained. We definitely all had a good time. So, let's see. He even agrees. Now the day is exhausted, and we're exhausted as well. So we are heading home, and I just wanted to thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys soon. All right, you wanna do it up? Say bye.
Bye.
Hey.